While the impact categories in an LCA could relate to water, there exist additional methods specifically for water footprinting. The method of Hoekstra et al. Is the most common of these. Here, water is divided into direct and indirect water relating to impacts within the system boundary or outside the system boundary. Additionally, water is broken into blue, green, and grey waters. In these categories, water is included in the footprint if it does not return to the same location as it was withdrawn or at the same purity. Blue water is that volume of water which is consumed from ground or surface water resources. It could include water lost due to evaporation, incorporation, such as in fruit, or lost return flow to a different location. Green water is similar to blue water, but is now the volume of rainwater lost through evaporation or incorporation into products. While water may naturally be lost through evaporation or incorporation, it is important to note the land use change due to man's activities and the difference this makes in lost water. While blue and green water are real numbers, the grey water footprint is a theoretical value or a virtual water which is equal to the amount of water required to dilute a wastewater stream such that the quality would not be disturbed. Given by the formula here, the value is calculated based on the largest pollutant in the flow. The total water footprint is then the sum of the blue, green, and grey waters.